Good morning, everyone. I am headed to the car wash. I haven't washed my car in months, so I'm about to take it to the hair wash right now. When I get there, I want y'all to tell me what color I should do my car because I'm about to get it wrapped. Stay tuned.
So we out on our way to get our car wash. Hear that thing growling. Nah, it's a trash bag right here though. Already back here. Right there. Catch y'all when we at the car wash. You dig? So we just pulled up to the car wash, you know. My wife behind me. Y'all can see her. Yeah, y'all can see her. She behind me. We're gonna get these things washed up. You did. Yes, sir. As you can see, they're getting right. You know what I'm saying? But hold up. While they getting them right, I'm gonna check on my wife. Go all the way around. Stop playing with my wife, boy. See what I'm saying? My wife pull up AMG while I pull up Hellcat on y'all boys, man.
Oh, wait.
Put your feet back. There you go. Car's in a good angle. By the time you done, they gonna be done. Give it to me. I'll take it to the trash. Put it back. Where was that? Go ahead. It's trash can right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Getting that thing right. You feel me? We had to go get it clean. As you can see, we came back to back at the car wash. You know what I'm saying? How you feeling that you got your car wash?
Oh, I feel much better.
Feel much better?
It was dirty.
Okay. Yeah, man. They cleaning them in there. You feel me? They doing a very good job. We had to come get it clean though, man. We ain't have our cars washed in by like two months. So yeah, she had to clean the back of her truck. I mean the back of her car. You know what I'm saying? And straight like that though, man. You feel me? My baby got the AMG. I got the Hellcat. And y'all want to race? Listen, I let my wife do y'all in with that damn AMG. You feel me? Yeah, y'all ain't on our level. Y'all ain't on our level. Shit though, man, it's a beautiful thing though. Look, got our son right there and his little AMG getting pushed around. You feel me? Spoken. You ready to get out the car? Hey, what? What? It's leaving the car wash. And we're gonna pull up side to side. We're finna grab something to eat. So now that we parked everything, look at them next together. Ooh. My wife doing something for sure, for sure. We ain't playing with y'all, man. Straight up, man.
So yeah, I just got my baby washed. I am literally so tired of this black. So since it's the summertime, I want to take it and get a wrap on it, but I want it to be like a color that I could keep during the winter too. I don't want it to be too much or not enough. So in the comments, let me know what color I should get next. Oh no, is that so Frida's fresh?
Yeah.
Okay, could you stir it up?
You said no beans, right?
Right.
What else can I get?
Let's see, a little corn. Is that mild?
Yeah.
Just a few. That's too much. Yeah. That's it.
The Fritas? Hello, 2560.
Well, Spoken got it.
Have a good one.
Alright, y'all, I guess Jack's my favorite now.
Oh, what's your name?
Some food with these.
What is that?
From Mexico.